This is the video that to showing you that I am currently running this system for continually 5 days and 18 hours already. My goal is that I'm going to run this system for the whole week, and let's say if I still can use this appropriately. So my everyday work on this computer is, if you take a look on my screen, I cannot do a screencast right now because if I have to type in something with one hand, that will be not convenient. But I just want you to take a look right here as the text that say 1, 2, 3, 4 right here is all the program that I have run on this computer. With the tag 1, you see that I have the text editor that I use to edit my, actually it's a website project. And if you have a look on it, this one is a program called TMUT, and it will be open a multiple window for actually a multiple tab. I don't know what you say, but you'll be able to run a multiple tab for your command line or the terminal. So the first tab is will be run Laravel Mix, that my project based on Laravel, and the tag 2 is my editor, that will be Vim, and I config it the way I want it to use. And the tag number 3, if you just type in Uptime and hit enter, this will show you absolutely how much or how long that you have been running this system, or how long does this system up. So this will show you absolutely 5 days and 18 hours, and with the load right here. The second tab on the tag bar here, I got my configs that I made the script. That will be the bash script. If anyone want to have a look, or if you want to try my bash script, just feel free for that. But I just want you that do it on the virtual environment, not on your production machine, because if something problem on, you maybe mess up with your system. So that will be highly recommend do it on your virtual environment, not your production machine. And the tag number 3 will be Firefox with multiple tabs on. And the tag number 4 is the program called Word Manager, or KVM, that what I'm used for visualize to testing my operating system. Like for example, in this screen here, I am on Ubuntu server, which is actually you can log in by SSH. And the tag number 5 will be the running process that will check what is running on my system right now. And you see that is a lot of RAM that's already been taken, and I just only have 5 GB of RAM in here. This one is called Dwm Window Manager. This laptop has been used for 11 days and 21 hours and 10 minutes without any restart or shutdown. So you can see here is 11 days, 21 hours and 10 minutes already, and it's still working fine. It's okay with this, even though it's a little bit lag sometimes, and it's kind of hang sometimes as well, because I believe this one is from, I have just a very minimum the memory, just 5 GB available, even though I have 8 GB in store, but it's just only 5.8 GB that available for me to use. And if I open Firefox and Brave and Google Chrome in the same time, it will be lag, I believe, because it's happened because I open too many tabs on the web browser, so my RAM is too little, so that why it can be slow and it seems like it's hang. As you can see here is 285 hours with 12 minutes of the runtime. So what happened right now, I have the update package available for 142 package that I have to update the package, and I have to reboot this machine today. Alright, that will be so far that I use Arch Linux on my laptop, and I'm really happy with this.